Hi, I'm Jennifer and I'm so happy you're here today. Today I'm going to be putting together a gift basket for one of my very dear friends. I can't wait to show you how it all comes together. I have gathered up everything I'm going to need. It was simple to go and buy these things because I had a little checklist of different colors, things she likes, candies she likes, and of course, different things like jewelry. She loves jewelry and she loves Western things. These will be absolutely perfect. I love these earrings. And I have a nice little ornament to tie on the front of the basket. I also like to include something practical when I make a gift basket for friends. I have a notepad here, and as you can see, all of these items have some sort of coordinating color. This coordinating color theme I'm going with is a shade of green, and then I'll have gift wraps and accents in red. A plushy throw blanket will be the perfect thing to use throughout the holiday season. Let me start putting this together and I'll show you just how I put this gift basket in the perfect gift bag for gift giving. I purchased these really nice basket bags at the Dollar Tree. This actually comes in a set of 2. I'm only going to need one, but this will be perfect to use for my gift basket. It looks really nice and neat if you wrap up the miscellaneous items that are in the gift basket. That way everything will have a really nice uniform looking theme. So even though these are just a little box of chocolate covered cherries, which I know happen to be your absolute favorite, it'll be nice to have them wrapped really pretty so that it'll go along with the coordinating red, white, and green theme. And I picked a pastel green instead of a darker Christmas shade of green because that's what color the beautiful little blanket is. And also, it'll be a nice idea for her to be able to have the little light green colored sage green basket that she can reuse for other things in the future. For these adorable little earrings, I'm just going to put these in the tissue paper rather than putting them in a box. I don't have any type of box to put these in, so I'm just going to roll them in the tissue paper, and then I'm just going to put them in this beautiful little coordinating gift bag. I'm not going to open it up all the way because I don't need the width, so I'm just going to slide them right inside, and this little cute gift bag will look so nice inside of our basket. I'm just going to take this Christmas ribbon and just put it right around the box. And I'm just going to tie it just like this. We don't need any kind of a big bow or anything to get in our way when we put this in the basket. I always keep an apron on when I'm doing gift wrap or crafts or anything like that because I have a big pocket to keep my tape in. I can drop my tape in my pockets and my scissors, and that way I'll have them handy when I need them. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and open this bag, and that way I can set the basket in it. I just roll the edges down and set the basket right in the middle because I've tried to make baskets before and then pick them up and put them in the bag, and then they want to tip over or spill out, so it's easier to just do it from the beginning, and then all you have to do when you're done is pull the sides up around and nothing's going to be falling out. The first thing we're going to start with is our biggest item. We're going to take the throw blanket and put this in the back because we want all the height in the back. And then we'll just keep going on to our other items. We want to put our beautiful wrapped gifts right in the front. And this notepad has the next highest profile, so I'll put this right in the back as well, next to the blanket. And as you can see, the blanket, the notepad, and the basket all coordinate together. Okay, and now we just will put our little gift of the earrings in the little gift bag right in the front. We'll tuck it right in there. And we're going to start filling our basket with this shredded paper. This will really fill it and make it look really nice. You can also use tissue paper to fill your basket. Now we have our gift basket all full of the red shredded paper. It looks so beautiful and ties the red and green together. So we're going to do one more thing. We'll start pulling our plastic up and secure this around our basket. Once you get your plastic pulled up, look to see if you have extra on each side. As you can see, I do have extra. So I'm just going to tuck this around neatly, around to the side. And I'm just going to fold the extra under, bring it around, and just tape it right to the back. I'll put a few pieces of tape on to secure this nicely. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. As you can see now, it fits so much nicer, and these bags come with really large twist ties. So I'll just gather this up and put on the twist tie. I'm just going to twist the basket around because that's the easiest thing to do, and then I'll add the twist tie on. I'm going to have the twist tie right in the front. Now I'm going to add on this beautiful ornament that I bought for my friend at Cracker Barrel. I'll just slide one end over the one side of the twist tie, and then I'll just twist it again. Then I just wrapped it around and twisted it again in the back, so everything is nice and secure and the ornament is right on the front. Now the only thing left to do is put on our beautiful big Merry Christmas bow. And here's the lovely gift basket for my friend. It's all done and ready to go. She'll be so excited to receive this basket. I really appreciate you being here today as I put this gift basket together. I know my friend is absolutely gonna love it. I would be so happy if you hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Merry Christmas!